I'll be a monkey's uncle. Would you turn that fan off already? I've told you and I've told you. Can't have the fan on while we're filming. Hey guys, been a long time no see. I don't know if you noticed. Sporting a... Well, this is going to be the new Halloween costume. These will be up on the website here shortly. No, I got a little bit of a more smile on my face. I don't know if you noticed. I haven't said nothing about this. There's a few people who know. Friends, family, obviously. When I turn this around. Besides, what this video is about, mostly, is old Play Me back there. The Focus. Got to do some brakes on her. But I've retired. That's weird to say, right? I'm 34 years old and I retired. No, it's not because of YouTube. I still have to go to work every day. So how do you retire but you go to work every day? Well, like I said, I no longer need a toolbox to go to work anymore. So now, that's my toolbox. That has been my toolbox since, I don't know, that was my first big investment doing this career that I was doing, which was body work. I meant to make a way better video about this, but I need to fix this car out there, and you guys, we're going to see the toolbox and all my tools, and I still haven't really unpacked nothing, but I mean, this is what made me my living, guys. I mean, I think I showed it once or twice here on the channel. I mean, there's just a lot of just stuff, you know, a lot of this toolbox has been around with me. There's a lot of memories, work memories that go with this thing. Loaded it up in the back of a van one time. I mean, crazy. There's a big gouge along the whole back because of that, but we can talk more about that stuff. But I'm still in the collision field, but I'm just doing something completely different now. Maybe we'll talk about that someday, but for now, that's it, guys. I retired. So maybe you'll get more of me working on stuff, because I was so dead beat, burnt out of working on cars. I was really growing to hate them, and Chaos was going to be for sale. Forky, the other Mustang, was going to be for sale. I had just got to a breaking point, and hopefully we're moved past that now. But this idiot's going to turn the fan back on, get to working on this. I'll show you what we're doing here. Need to go to work tomorrow, and well, her brakes just ain't the happiest. So we got some brakes in here. Only the best. You know how you know it's the best? It says it right on the packaging, guys. That's how you always know. That's for my homies. What do you guys think of the new digs? It's different. Last time you guys seen it, I filmed doing this, but I was like, well, that's lame. So this is a ramble. If you guys are watching this, you're diehards. You really are. So the cart, you know, that all used to be here. This was that engine table that I brought home, which is awesome, but I had nowhere to put it. So now it lives there. These nice spark plugs. Who needs spark plugs? Those look fine. Just run them through the buffer. So, buttons on your underwear, and ask me if I care. I'm going to go do these brakes. You guys go do something else. Whew. Alright, I'm a sweaty boy now. I didn't film it because, look it, if you got to do maintenance on your SVT, it's brake pads. It was a bitch, I'll tell you that. And it might be because this car is old and rusty and tight. It was a pain in the ass. But if you want to know, you need the spinny duty to put the duty in the thing to compress the doodad, and Bob's your uncle. But now here's something. Okay, I don't know, wife's probably going to see this. I've had this car like well over $130 in Mexico, of course, because it's a go-kart. You want to see some scary shit? You want to see the brakes we did it on? That one, the friction material fell off. Yeah, there's no friction material on that one. Oh, that's more of that. Yeah, I had a piece of friction material that was still wedged, like... Yeah, so I noticed the brakes were weird. These might be original. Yeah, sketchy.